Ever heard of that fancy lotus dessert ancient Chinese folks loved? Why no, the one that blooms like a flower when cooked. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make it step by step. First, prep the salty egg yolks. Mix flour and salt good. Dig a little hole in the middle, tuck the yolk in, and cover it up completely. Seal tight and marinate for 3 days. Now, let's tackle the coconut. Crack that bad boy open, scoop out the white flesh, and save the sweet coconut water for later. It's chef's kiss for drinks. Peel off that brown outer skin. We only want the creamy white part here. Give the coconut flesh a quick rinse under water to get rid of any dirt or bits of shell. Super simple, but clean ingredients make all the difference. Toss the clean coconut into a blender, add a splash of water, and blend it up into a smooth, fluffy coconut paste. Pure tropical goodness. Grab a clean cloth, wrap up the coconut paste, and squeeze as hard as you can to get rid of extra moisture. We want it thick, not runny. After squeezing, you'll get this dry, flaky white stuff. Back to our marinated egg yolks. Rinse off all the flour from the surface, and you'll see these plump, golden yolks. They're already looking fancy, right? Steam those yolks until they're fully cooked, soft, crumbly, and ready to level up our filling. Mash the steamed egg yolks into a fine yellow powder. No lumps allowed. We want a smooth mix with the coconut. Now, let's make the filling. Combine the dried coconut flakes, mashed egg yolks, a chunk of butter, and some sugar. Mix it all up and knead into a tight, sticky ball. So creamy. Time for the dough. This is where the magic happens. Mix flour, butter, sugar, and water. Knead it over and over until everything's fully combined. We need a dough that's stretchy but not too sticky. Think. Pull it thin without breaking level. Once the dough can form a thin film, when you pull it, split it into 2 parts. Add some beetroot powder to 1 part to turn it purple. Now we've got 2-tone dough. How cool is that for a fancy look? Cover both colored doughs with a cloth and let them rest for a bit. Next, make the flaky layer, called shortening dough. In baking terms, mix flour and butter and make 2 batches too, matching the purple and original yellow dough. Roll out the first dough, the water oil dough. This is the key to that crispy, layered texture. Take the matching colored shortening dough, plop it on top of the rolled out water oil dough, fold it over like a taco, and seal the edges tight. No leaks allowed. We want all that flackiness locked in. Trim off the messy edges. Then fold the dough like you're making a bed. Fold, roll, fold again. Roll some more. Repeat this a few times. This is how we get those hundreds of flaky layers. So satisfying to watch. Grab a round cookie cutter and punch out perfect circles from both the yellow and purple dough. Uniform shapes mean even baking plus. They look way more professional. Stack the yellow and purple dough circles on top of each other, press the edges to seal them together, then wrap that delicious coconut egg yolk filling inside. Pinch the top closed. No filling escapes on our watch. Now, let's make it look like a lotus. Take a knife and cut petal shapes around the edge of the dough ball. Don't cut all the way through, just enough to create that blooming effect later. Heat up some oil in a pan until it's medium hot. Gently drop the dough balls in and watch them bloom like real lotus flowers. Fry until golden and crispy, then take them out. There you have it. Ancient emperor worthy lotus pastries made by you. This old school recipe's all about patience and love for craft every layer. Every fold tells a story. Who's gonna try making these blooming beauties? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. See you next time.